All right, welcome to day 3 of the passive income affiliate training. In day 1, step 1, you set up your 14-day free trial to ClickFunnels. In step 2, on day 2, you downloaded the free share funnel, the free passive income affiliate training share funnel. So now day 3, step 3, what we're going to do is we're going to use the really super powerful editor inside ClickFunnels to customize this funnel so it sounds like you and looks a little bit more like you, okay? So what you want to do is you want to find the passive income affiliate training. Mine's listed under affiliate because that's just what I tagged it as, named it as, grouped it as. Yours could be ungrouped, or it could be under your share funnels, it could be under your favorites. If you click that yellow star, made it yellow, then it's in your favorites. Wherever it is, you just want to click on it. And if you're not at this screen, you can always go to ClickFunnels, browse funnels, and it will take you to this screen that shows you all your funnels. So you just click on it, the passive income affiliate training. It's a simple 2-step funnel. You just have an opt-in page and a thank you page. So the first thing we want to do is click on the editor, the ClickFunnels editor, edit page in the opt-in page. Then you can leave this totally as is. You do not have to change anything if you don't want to. But if you do want to change it to make it sound more like you can totally just change anything you want. So you could click in here and see where it's blinking. You can just back up. Right now it doesn't. Now it just deleted that word. I can just type it free again. Right? You can. It's all drag and drop. So if the button's right here, if you want to move it up top, I don't know why you would, but if you wanted to, boom, there it is. Let's put it back to where it belongs though, right? Now, instead of saying, give me my training and funnel, you can click on that and you can change that to download my training and funnel. And see, it's on 2 lines. We want to make it just 1 line. So you just make the font smaller. Okay. Also, if you want to, you can go to advanced. I like to do this. Icon picker. Watch where it says right next to download. That's on the left-hand side. And then watch where it says after funnel on the button. That's right there. Okay? So you can do whatever you want. You can change it to whatever you want. Just remember to... I'm going to leave it like that. Just remember to always make your changes, right? Within this one, this is the button. So this is set action. Okay, you click on set action, leave it as open the pop-up. Okay, and what that means is now you go up to the pop-up, show pop-up, and you can change this, do whatever you want. Make it say less, make it say more, do whatever you want to, and then right here, it'll be set action, it'll be submit order, submit form, and I'll show you how that all hooks up in a later step. But you can change this to say whatever you want. Okay. Free training reveals how to earn $38 a month with affiliate commissions, plus bonus, get a free done for you plug and play affiliate marketing funnel, right? So you can leave that. Whatever you do, whatever changes you make, click save. If you don't want to make any changes, you don't have to. You can leave this completely as is. Okay, you can leave this page as is. But let's go and edit the thank you page. This is where you're going to do a lot of your editing and customizing. So you go to click on thank you page on the left hand side. Click on edit. So now up here it says congratulations, your free training, yada yada. You can say whatever you want. You can leave this the same if you want to, or you can change it and say whatever you want to. Again, you just click on it and then type whatever you want. Okay. Remember, every time you make a change, you just want to save it, just to get into that habit. So now you're going to come down here. There's videos. All right. So again, you can leave this entire thing as is if you want to. If you want to not make videos, you don't have to. But you can actually replace my videos and not there, but down here in the steps. you can replace my videos and make your own videos and, use your own voice and, your own spin on things, okay? Or you can just leave mine as is, right? If you want to leave mine as is, you totally can do that, all right? If you want to leave my videos as is, that's fine, but there are some things you still need to change. For instance, right here, click here to get your 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. You need to click on that. You need to click on Set Action. You're going to make sure go-to website URL is picked, and you are going to put your ClickFunnels affiliate link in here. Okay, you're going to put your ClickFunnels affiliate link in here. If you do not change this step, then when you send out this share funnel to folks, they're going to be going under my ClickFunnels affiliate, and I'm going to get paid the commission. You don't want that. So you want to get paid the commission. So you want to put your ClickFunnels affiliate link under there. Okay, the way you go there is in your ClickFunnels account. You just go to this main screen so you'll see it. So when you're on the main screen, or from any screen, honestly, you go over here, right? You go up here where that little drop down is, and you click on affiliates, and then you will work your way through the affiliate center till you find your affiliate link for the 14-day free trial of ClickFunnels. And then you just copy and paste that link. Copy that link, and then you're going to come in here, click here, and paste your link in here. So when you send out this share funnel to people and they sign up for ClickFunnels, you're making the 40% commission and not me. Okay? So you can leave all the videos the same, but you definitely have to change your ClickFunnels link. I mean, you don't have to, but you want to, so you get paid for them. All right? So then let's say you do want to make your own videos. Like you want to make your own videos, so it sounds like you kind of have your own vibe, your own spin. Okay, the way you put your video in here is you go here and see where that settings button is, the orange settings button. Click on that. Go over here, and I use YouTube, so you're going to just put your YouTube URL in here. Okay, whatever that YouTube URL is, and then boom, the video will be good to go. Okay, and then again, save. That's how you change the videos. Okay, it's that simple. Then you're going to come down here. Oh, and all these headlines, all this copy, you can totally keep it the same. I mean, read it, make sure everything sounds cool to you. If you want to change a little bit, change it up. All this you can keep the same. Okay, right here is where you're going to put your share funnel for the funnel. Okay, you remember how to get that share funnel, right? So let's back up a little bit. In the share funnel, you go to the funnel that you want to share, which is the passive income affiliate training. You go to settings and you come down. Oops. Come down and grab the share funnel. You copy that. And you go back to the thank you page. Edit the page. Go down to the share funnel. Click on that settings right here, the orange button right here. Settings. Set action. And here's the URL. You want to go to website URL, and then you're going to paste your share funnel in there. And then save. And when you paste your share funnel in there, it automatically embeds your affiliate ID, your ClickFunnels affiliate ID. Okay? So then you scroll down again. If you want to change out the video, if you want to make your own video, do so. If not, just leave mine in there. It's no big deal. Again, you can leave this. There's not much to do here. If you want to change the video, you can change the video. If not, leave it as is. Then get your new funnel online. Again, same deal. You leave the video as is, or you can create your own video. Come down here, your email software marketing. Same deal. So if you make sure you have the Edison suite. Okay, if you have the Edison suite, which is the $297 a month plan, you can share that entire action funnel with folks. And you're going to go in there and you're going to get your share funnel, your share action funnel. And the way you do that again is you come out of here. This is an action funnel. This is the email sequence. I already have it written for you. So you go to Action Annex up here, come down to Action Funnels, come down to your passive income affiliate onboarding sequence, and then right up here, there's the arrow. Click on that, you copy that, whoops, copy that, come back to your funnel, go back to the thank you page, scroll down to that step, click here to download all autoresponder emails into your account, must have Edison Suite plan. Click on the settings, click on set action, copy, well not copy, you're going to paste your action funnel in there, save, okay, and then right here, if you're not using action ads, so you did the $97 plan, you can just click here for the PDF version, and you can use this with any email marketing software. You're just going to have to type it in. You can leave that set if you want as is. Use that S3 account, and it'll already be in there for you. If you want to set your own one up there, you would just change it right here. Okay. Then you scroll down. Again, the video, if you want to keep it, you can keep it. If not, you change it. All right, and then quickly and easily get traffic. You can, again, leave all this stuff the same. What you want to do, though, is when you create your Udemy account, you actually get an affiliate link. Like they give you an affiliate link, okay? So what you want to do is get your affiliate link from Udemy. You don't even have to buy any traffic from Udemy. As soon as you register for the free account, you get an affiliate link. So you want to get that link. You want to come in here to settings, and then you want to paste that in here, because then if the people that you refer this funnel to that are using this funnel, when they actually, if they buy traffic through Udemy, you're going to make a commission off of it. Okay. If you're going to do solo ads, there's a PDF you can just copy as is, use this PDF. Okay. You can just keep these settings the same. If you want to make your own, you can do that, but then change this link. But you can just leave it as is and let folks download the PDF, okay? And make sure you save. Again, the video, you can leave it the same or create your own. And then step 7. Okay, so step 7, this is actually my Facebook group. This is Cashflow Hackers. And I connect this to, if they click here, they connect to my passive income community, Cashflow Hackers. And set action is go to the website cashflowhackers.com, right? It's a Facebook group. If you do not have a Facebook group, you can send people to, here we go, I'll show you. The ClickFunnels Avengers group. So there's a bunch of people in there. But this is the affiliate page for ClickFunnels. Okay, so it's ClickFunnels Avengers, it's ClickFunnels affiliates. A lot of useful info in here. So you can always send people here if you don't have your own group. If you do have your own group, I highly encourage you to use that here instead. So you can send people to your own group and you can constantly be marketing to them. And then again, you just go to settings, and whatever group you want to send them to, you put that link in here ultimately, and then you would change the headline and change this for whatever you want it to say, okay? Then you scroll down to this bonus part, and you don't have to do anything here. Just leave this all the same and leave the video the same. And then, but then you do want to come down here where it says start your 14-day free trial, and you want to put your ClickFunnels affiliate link again for the 14-day trial. So you click the settings, set action, boom, put your free trial in there, and then save, and you just customize this funnel for you, okay? Now I will see you in the next video to go over more steps of the passive income affiliate training.